In this lecture, we will review how to choose a research design. But first, what is the difference between research design and research method? Research design is a plan to answer your research question. A research method is a strategy used to implement that plan. So research design and methods are different, but closely related, because good research design ensures that the data you obtain will help you answer your research question more effectively. According to Bordens and Abbott in 2022, some of the most important decisions that you will make about your research concern its basic design and the setting in which it will be conducted. Research design serves one or both of the two major functions: exploratory data collection and analysis, which is to identify new phenomena and relationships, and second, hypothesis testing, which is to check the adequacy of proposed explanations. Now, the two basic designs available for determining relationships between variables are correlation designs and experimental designs. Correlational research involves collecting data on two or more variables across subjects or time periods. Experimental designs provide strong control over variables and allow you to establish whether variables are causally related. The defining characteristics of experimental research are, first, manipulation of an independent variable, and second, control over extraneous variables. And I know you've watched my learning video lecture on research methods and strategies, which explain this in detail. Now, the simplest experimental designs involves two groups of participants. The experimental group receives the experimental treatment, and the control group. It is treated identically except that it does not receive the treatment. Now, after deciding on a research design, you must then decide on a setting for your research. You can conduct your research in the laboratory or in the field. Now, to continue on with content regarding how to choose a research design. But again, before we could choose our research design, we need to know the difference between research design and research method. And as stated before, research design is a plan to answer what your research questions are. And a research method is a strategy used to implement that plan. So, next question you may want to know about is, which research method do I choose? Well, it depends on your research goal. It depends on what subjects and who you want to study. Let's say you are interested in studying what makes people happy, or why some students are more curious about recycling on campus. To answer these questions, you need to make a decision about how to collect your data. The most frequently used methods includes observation or participant observation, surveys, interviews, focus groups, experiments, secondary data analysis, mixed methods, and that means combining some of the above. Okay, so one particular method could be better suited to your research goal than others, because the data you collect from different methods will be different in quantity and quality. For instance, surveys are usually designed to produce relatively short answers rather than the extensive responses expected in qualitative interviews. Okay, so another question that you may have, it could be, what other factors should I consider when choosing one method over another? Well, time for data collection and analysis is something you would want to consider. An observation or interview method, so-called qualitative approach, helps you collect richer information, but it takes time. Using a survey helps you collect more data quickly, yet it may lack details. So, you will need to consider the time you have for research and the balance between strengths and weaknesses associated with each method.